Hey neighbors, how you doing? Y'all, I don't know why I laugh. Every time I say that, I can't help myself. It comes straight from the soul. I try sometimes to keep a straight face, but it just don't work. When the joy is within, you must relax, relate, release, okay? So I'm giving you this joy today, y'all. And I know your girl done got her flowing hair on, her long hair, don't care, but it's alright. It's okay. Cause why? It's mukbang time. You ready? It's mukbang time. Hey, it's mukbang time. It's mukbang time. Hey, it's mukbang time. I got a healthy one, not a fat one. I got a healthy one, not a fat one. I got a healthy one, not a fat one. It's mukbang time. Y'all, look at here. Y'all are my neighbors, and I love y'all and y'all love me. And I came home today, took a bath in the middle of the day. Who loves doing that, honey? Taking a nice bath in the middle of the day. In the morning, it refresh you, wake you up or whatever. At nighttime, it relax you, get you ready for bed. But in the middle of the day, honey, a shower or a bath can give you a whole new lease on life. So I'm bringing you this mukbang with a $5 holla. A healthy one at that. Now, for some reason, it seems like for the last couple of mukbangs, every time I put something in my mouth, a person has something to say about this being healthy or that not being healthy. I categorize what I eat how I categorize it, not how you categorize it. So, therefore, if it's something I usually wouldn't eat, that means it's healthy to me. It might not be healthy to you. So the rest of us is going to enjoy this mukbang while you put yourself in the corner facing the wall, because we don't have time for you here on Missy's Corner. For the rest of us, we're going to enjoy this $5 holla from Randall's and a nice glass of. I'll get into that in a minute. Let's pray, shall we? Dear Heavenly Father, Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for this opportunity to be able to spread your joy and your love to others. Lord, thank you for this food. May it be nourishing to my body. May it do no hurt, harm, or danger. And bless the ones that cut it up, chopped it up, prepared it nice and pretty for me, oh Lord. May you add an extra blessing unto them. In Jesus' name, amen. Let's eat. So, as I told y'all, I went to the grocery store, not last night, but a couple nights ago. And I was just, you know how you go into the grocery store hungry. Roaming around, which that's the worst time to go to the grocery store when you're hungry. You know how much food is up in there? Okay, let me put something in my mouth because I know you. Okay, here's your grape. Here's me your grape. They crunchy. Them grapes taste just like some wine. That's nice. That's really nice. So right here, your girl is sipping on a little. You wish it was wine. I know you want it to be wine in the middle of the day. Wouldn't that be nice? Come home, take a bath with a glass of wine. But you know your girl don't drink like that. So I got me some Ocean Spray Cranberry. Do you hear me? Holla if you hear me. Y'all know this be good. That cranberry. It got crayon, apple, crayon, all kind of crayons. But this cranberry right here. Ooh. And yes, I know I filled it to the brim because I didn't want to have to keep getting up and going back to the refrigerator to get some more. In my glass, y'all, from the Dollar Tree. This one lady left a comment. It was so funny. She was like, why do you act so broke? Like you don't have no money. Look, I just like the finer things in life. And if it happened to cost $1, that's more better for me. Mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. So if you want to imagine your girl is sipping on a little wine, that's fine. But this cranberry grape is good to me. So I'm going to put that right there. Hopefully I'm still in the frizzing. That's good. Do y'all like cran grape? Mm-hmm. Yes. Ocean Spray got it going on now. So with this little $5 Holla snack tray, I have some turkey lunch meat with a little lettuce at the bottom to probably make like a little wrap. I have some fresh Concord grapes. Do I know if they Concord or not? No, but they taste like wine. Some little crackers here, which I've never seen or tasted before. And the best part of all, I got that cheddar that makes everything better. Let's eat. Who like to leave work in the middle of the day and go home and take a bath? I know somebody out there that done it. Them baths in the middle of the day will get you right. So let's get to eating. Woo, cheese and crackers. I love me some cheese and crackers. Give you the first bite, because I know you got a big appetite. Y'all, B-Love and Nate has messed me up. Do you hear me with they rhyming skills? Just make you want to make everything rhyme. That don't make no sense. But yes, cheese and cracker time. Mmm. Mmm. Cheese. Mmm. Mmm. Woo! That cheese is good. Make me want to kick somebody. Y'all know food make y'all happy, violent, and all kinds of stuff. But don't kick nobody. Don't slap nobody. Don't hit nobody. Just give them a piece of cheese and they'll just know what you mean. Oh. I guess this is considered the grown folks Lunchable. That is good. I'm nice and clean and relaxed with my wine, my ocean, my ocean spray. This is sorry, I had cheese hit my taste buds again. Took me to a whole new world. Well, dang, that cheese is good. I done forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah. Microfiber towel on my head. It helps to prevent damage from like other towels and stuff you might dry your hair with, and it helps protect your hair. So this is why I have this on my head, because my hair got wet in the shower. This is good. Then I got that little ice on the top of there. Ooh. Let's try another one of these grapes out. Don't you bite my finger. I'm not playing with you. Don't you bite me. I be feeding y'all, and some of y'all got some sharp teeth. You know I got my own trust there here. If you have a hard time getting full when you eat, and that's why you might overeat, drink you, depending on how hungry you is. If you kitty hungry, meow, then drink 1 cup. But if you tiger hungry, okay, with the claws and everything, drink you 2 glasses of water so you can fill your belly up, so therefore when you eat you get full faster and don't eat as much. Tip of the day. Tip of the day. Y'all didn't know I could growl, huh? I can growl. My name is Kathy. Miss C. Now, do I like cats in my house? But I can purr like one. Honey. I don't know, y'all. Y'all got pets out there? I was just never raised with pets in the house. Every time I say, Daddy, I want a puppy, I want a bird, a fish, can your girl have something? The answer was always no. Excuse me. That chili made everything better. Any concerns I might have had before I started this video is over. Do you? It's over. Wait a minute. They showed your girl some love. I thought it was just 2 little pieces of meat up in there. Ooh. Yes. Okay, Randalls. This $5 Holla is the truth. Eating with your fingers. Who said it wasn't fun? That's tasty. My daddy had a dog when he was little that stayed outside under the house and all that stuff, but we never could have any pets. So but I'm grown now, got my own place. Why you don't have none? Because I'm so used to living without pets. I don't know how to take care of no pets. And do you know them little things? Well, no, excuse me. Pause. Delete. Let's start that over. Do you know Them little fluffy fluffies and barky barkies and meows and whatever else, they are expensive. They gotta go to the doctor. They have to get shots. I mean, jeez Louise. You might as well call them your baby, because you gotta take care of them just like a baby. Just like one. Mm. 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 That was a mouthful. But they are expensive. You gotta buy them toys. And it don't even be Christmas. You gotta walk them, talk with them. Mm. But they so cute. Now, do I like other people's pets? Yeah. I don't mind them. I just can't have them up in here. Because your girl got carpet. Now, if I have hardwood floors, I probably would have had a dog a long time ago. But, not with no carpet. I do not want my house smelling like anything other than what I want it to smell like. Do you feel me? Because after having pets for so long, your nose get desensitized. And you can't smell when your house smell like a cat or smell like a dog. Because, honey, I didn't visit some people before. And their house was clean, but their house still smelled like animals. I do not want my house smelling like the little pet store on the corner. I don't want it. I don't need it. But do I like animals? Yes, I do. I just don't want them up in through here. Now, if I get a big house, will I have a dog in the backyard? And that's what my husband wants. But it just depends. The lettuce. Oh, there ain't no lettuce for no wrap. I guess that was just to hold the water from the meat. I guess. I don't know. I don't have no idea. That turkey is good. That's that deli turkey right there. Put a little cubes of cheese on it. Let's just have a meat one. That's nice. All right, Randalls. Oh yeah, that's a nice crispy one. You heard that? Oh yeah. That's fresh. use them a while. That ocean spray is good. Ooh, and that's that sharp cheddar. Make one of your eyes close up. Woo. Ooh, make one of them eyes close up, boy. It's so sharp. That's good. I know y'all like cheese. Y'all told me in the last video. The one about the pepper jack that'll lay you on your back. I don't know where I get it from, y'all. I don't know where I get it from. I think they did a good job with these crackers because they're thin, which makes them really, really crispy. And they don't have no salt on them. So you have to eat them with something, because if somebody gave you a roll of these crackers here, you would throw them back at them and ask them what was they thinking. They crispy, but they bland. Girls getting dusty. I dust them off. Time for some more of that meat. Who like meat out there? I mean, this is good for $5. This can be considered a meal for somebody instead of a snack. Good, I'm almost around the bend. And I said almost. But it's good. Anybody ever do that when you are having you a little adult beverage or whatever you're sipping, and you get you a nice glass and you just make noises just because you can, because you're grown, you're under your own roof, can't nobody tell you nothing. You just do what you want. Your hair dry when you get out the shower, because who gonna say something? You wish somebody would tell you to put on some clothes. That is the best part of being an adult. Kids, if you're watching, if you got any kids watching, I'm just letting you know, don't be in a hurry to grow up. Enjoy your childhood, because the most funnest thing you can do is walk around your own house naked. I'm just letting you know. When I was little, I couldn't wait to grow up. I said, oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do this. And now that you're grown, you realize you grow up just to go to work and pay bills. For the most of us, the majority of us. They have a few that have enough money to where they can do whatever they want all day, all week, all month, all year long. But the majority of us is working, making money, surviving, and on the weekend, that sweet old weekend, we go hard in the paint. We go hard. We be doing all kind of stuff on the weekend. I know you can't wait for the weekend. The weekend is fun. Mm-hmm. Don't grow up too fast and enjoy being a kid. That's a life with no responsibilities or worries. If you're blessed to be in that type of household, it got some households, if you 5, you taking care of the 1 and 2-year-old. That is crazy. But hey, the hand you get dealt with is the hand you get dealt with. Make the best of it, baby. Make the best of it. Some people's life is just harder than other people's lives. I know it is. I've never really met anybody who had it made or had an easy life. So I figure it's not that many of them. I don't know. Let me know down here in the comment section if you know anybody who had an easy life, and ask them how it feels, cause I don't know. But to the rest of us, make the best of whatever you have. I had to bring it a little closer. Yeah, y'all. And have a grape over here. It look funny. I don't put everything in my mouth. It have to be worthy of me putting it in there. Cause if it look funny, I don't want it. But yeah, air drying is the funnest thing in the world. Y'all hear that? What that remind y'all of? That's right, Christmas. What you said? What you thought I was gonna say? Put it down below if you think you know. But it's July. It's time to start saving up for Christmas. That's right. Jingle bells, jingle, jingle, jingle. So if y'all got babies or a significant other you want to buy a super nice gift for, because they've been on the good list instead of the naughty list, then it's time to start saving up, putting a little money to the side, or put some stuff on layaway or something. Walmart still got a layaway, I think. And do we still have Kmart's? I don't know. Who else have layaway? I know Cato's have a layaway. Cato. That's a plus size clothing store. I don't know. I haven't been shopping lately because I just been trying to save money. But if you can find a store to layaway, it's time to put some stuff in there for Christmas. Because it's right around the corner. It'll be here before you know it. Lunch meat. That meat is good. I must have took care of that turkey real good. Mm-hmm. So, tell me, what's your favorite way to relax after a long, hard day? I might can learn me something. Grape. I'll say woo. I'll say the last grape. Heartbreak. And y'all may be wondering, Missy, is she gonna eat that piece of lettuce down there? And you know what? I thought about it. Let me see. Is it crispy? Okay. We might can work with that. We just put you right here. Let me get this last cracker. Oh. How we gonna do this here? We're gonna put this on here like that. I like this side a little better. Hold on, I'm gonna fix it up for you. Cause I haven't given you a cracker this whole time. And I'm just realizing it. And you know what? I am so sorry. But that cheddar took me to a whole new world. And I just forgot. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Cause I love you. I'll give you 3 pieces. Okay, there you go. Open wide. You gotta use your jaw muscles. Some of y'all got strong jaws out there. Don't play with me. Do not play with me today, honey. Open up. All right there now. Do not bite me. Okay. Turn it to the other side. Oh. Turn it to the other side. That's enough for you. My turn. Boy, that looks nice. That looks nice. Oh, that should be a good thumbnail. Get out the way, glass. Y'all know them thumbnails never work for me. I just be posing up here looking silly and crazy and stuff. And when it's time to do the video, it never works. Let's see if it worked today. With this one right here. With my microfiber on. Oh, Lord. Twin, stop pushing stuff. Oh, hold on. Let me get this napkin out my hand. Ooh, high headed. Okay. Okay. Should I smile? Should I keep a straight face? Should I be like mean mugging like okay, or should I smile like or should I just be like how many seconds I supposed to hold it? I don't know. Somebody leave it down in the comments if you know. Cause YouTube be tripping. Oh, hey, I don't know. That lettuce on there was tasty. That was good. We're gonna throw the rest of that one in there. That was good. Did you enjoy that? I know I did. Cheers. Thank you so much for joining me for this $5 holla in the afternoon with your special drink. A good old ocean spray. Cranberry in the building. That's nice. With a little ice at the bottom. That ice be good. I don't know. I've been an ice eater all of my life. And it's good. I'm sorry. You can have that a little bit. Now you better have good teeth. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Well, neighbor, we didn't talk together. We done had us some snacks, some drinks. Now it's time for you to go back home. I love you, but you gotta go. Cause it's time for your girl to take a nap. But before you hit that door, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I said like, comment, share, subscribe, like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you next time, neighbor. Bye.